So the next question, according to Scamm's growth curves, which of the following tissues reaches peak first? Neural tissues, lymphoid tissues, reproductive tissues, general tissue. So while seeing these sort of questions, we have to picturize that Scamm's growth curve in our mind. Then we can find the answer easily. So come on, tell me, which is the correct answer? Yes, it's neural tissues. So here, as you see in this Scamm's growth curve, the neural tissues will continue to grow rapidly, and after birth, it will reach nearly 100% adult size by about the age of 6 to 7 years. You can see this, right? But this lymphoid tissue also grows quickly, but it will reach twice the adult size by about the age of 10 years only. So, which one peak first? The answer will be neural tissue. The maxilla grow earlier and follow a pattern closer to that of the neural tissue, but this mandible will grow later. So, it follows the pattern of the musculoskeletal or the general tissue. Okay,